All right guys, we are here in the Fat Fender Garage shop in Gilbert, Arizona, and we have a brand new kit we're gonna launch right today. And so this is a 1953 to 1956 Ford F100 front and back half kits. So this is where you're gonna use your chassis that you have and upgrade your suspension on it. If you wanna have nice air ride, lay the running boards on the ground, or if you wanna have nice coilover suspension, this is a great way to do it, to get it nice and low. We got 3 different levels, just a nice low look, a really low look on coilovers, or on the ground airbag. So you're gonna get a front kit, which consists of this right here. This little section right here, you're gonna get all the front suspension. Now, what's cool about this front suspension, if you notice, you get a really big, long frame rail right here. And we did that on purpose because guess what? A lot of you guys got an old Valeri front end, you've got some C10 truck put on there, you got a Camaro clip on it, and you want to get something cool. So this allows you to cut that off, get rid of that nasty stuff that you've been plagued with, and add on a nice, precise, detailed suspension. Now, we worked with PorterBuilt fabrication to help design and test fit and prototype and make sure this was going to work out well, and we're pretty excited about it. We've already put it on a truck, we know that it works, we know that it fits, and so this happens to be an airbag setup, and you can see you got the mounts for the bag for the front, and so this is an airbag setup. So this is designed to be super low. We try to keep these in stock as well, so that's something you can just order up and we can ship it out. Now, you're going to get all the stuff you see here. You're gonna get all the hardware, all the nuts, bolts, bushings, and we might miss something. We're not perfect. We might forget to send something to you, but we're gonna have it. We're gonna get it right out to you and make sure that you're good to go. So with that, on the back half, you're gonna get a nice 4-link, and you're gonna get your air ride, you're gonna get a bridge, and you also get a Watts link. So rather than just a generic panhard bar, you actually get a nice upgraded Watts link for your suspension. So these kits come just like you see them. Now, there are options that you can purchase that we highly recommend for the ease. We'll supply a brand new Curry rear end, and if you buy the rear end from us, then it comes with the brackets already welded on the rear end, ready to go. So that's a little bit easier for you. We want to make this as simple as we can, so that's mostly a bolting kit for you. The second thing is that we supplied the spindles and a wheel width disc brake setup on it for you to choose. You can go from 12-inch all the way up to 14-inch, and so you have the wide range and bolt patterns as well. So you get tank mounts in the back. So if that's something that you're going to do an airbag system and you want to put your tank in there, that's where that mounts right there. So a lot of cool features, 3/16 steel, and perfectly welded up. If you guys know who PorterBuilt fabrication is, you know their welds are on point, and they do a really good job. Super high quality stuff, ready to go, ready to install, ready to bolt up. So how long does something like this take, and why would you do this? Well, first off, as you can see, it's almost a full frame, all these parts, right? You're missing a little chunk of piece here, and you're missing a chunk here. And so I've had people ask me, well, why not just build a full frame? Well, obviously, if you would like to spend a lot more money, you can just buy a full frame. But for a lot of people who want a cool ride, they plan to do a lot of stuff themselves in their own garage. And so for them, they have a lot of free time, not a lot of free money. And so this is a perfect way for them to still achieve that look, the style, the fit, and still enjoy a mostly custom chassis. But guess what? You get to do all the nuts and bolts and put it together and do the work yourself. That takes the work away from us, and it saves you some money and still gets you a nice, good quality product. Otherwise, this would be completely 100% welded together, no bolts, no nuts, just a really nice solid chassis. But you're gonna pay for all that extra labor, and you're gonna pay for all the extra parts and setting it up on a frame and putting it together. So definitely an easy way to go if you have a lot of free time. You're going to get where everything goes, how it bolts together. You're going to have all that information come. So you'll be able to do this in your garage. And the question is how long is it going to take? Well, if you did this by yourself, you probably 3 to 4 days, you probably have all this done, ready to go. A little bit of effort, but not so much that you couldn't accomplish it. We've had this sitting in our shop for a few months waiting for us, and we finally got around to just getting it ready to go. And so we're excited to get it launched. It's going to be on our website. You're going to be able to go to our website. You're going to pick the brakes, you're going to pick the spindles, you're going to pick the rear end, and add those to the cart and get your front and back half kits. If you would like to order coilover, that option will be there for you as well. So anyways, a very cool product. We're 53 to 56 Ford F100 two-wheel drive. The next variation to this will be 6772. We already have full chassis done on these. So these are things that we already make in a full frame, but we wanted to provide a simpler kit for you guys that want to do something a little bit more budget-minded in your garage, because you're capable, you know how to do this, and you want to be able to save some money but still have a bitchin' ride. So this is going to get it done for you. Thank you.